Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will going to show you how you can download the Blender app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Blender app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Blender, since that's where we will download the app. So just search for blender.org on your search bar. And after searching that, you will now be on the official website of Blender. So here, you just need to select the download section right here at the top. And then you will now be directed to the downloading page of the app. So all you have to do here is just to click the download button. And then the installer file for Blender will now start downloading. Just wait for this to be finished. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to click next repeatedly until you reach this page. And here on this page, you will now see the install button. Just click it to start the final installation process of the app. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations. You will now have your Blender app installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now use it to start building or making your animations and 3D models. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.